Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the MAXPAND Small Hairdressing Tool Bag, a must-have for hairstylists and beauty enthusiasts alike.
If you're looking for the best hairstylist bag to keep all your tools organized, this might just be it.
Let's explore why. First off, what sets this bag apart is its exceptional design and functionality.
Made from high-quality polyester, it not only looks stylish but is also durable and easy to clean. The YKK zipper used here is top-notch, ensuring longevity and smooth operation even after extensive use.
Let's talk dimensions. This bag measures 13.8 inches in length, 8.7 inches in width, and 9.5 inches in height, offering ample space to store all your essential hairdressing tools.
Whether it's scissors, clippers, combs, or even larger items like hair dryers and straighteners, this bag has you covered. One of the standout features is the ergonomic design. The shoulder strap comes with an air cushion, providing exceptional comfort even when the bag is fully loaded. This makes it not only practical for everyday use but also ensures that carrying your tools doesn't become a burden. Now, quality control matters, especially when it comes to a tool bag like this. MAXPAND has ensured rigorous testing to maintain high standards, promising that each bag meets their strict quality criteria.
This attention to detail ensures that your investment in this bag is worthwhile. From a practical standpoint, this bag ticks all the boxes. It's not just about storing your tools, it's about keeping them organized and easily accessible.
With various pockets and compartments, you can arrange your items neatly, making your work as a hairstylist more efficient. To wrap up, the MAXPAND Small Hairdressing Tool Bag is more than just a storage solution.
It's a companion for any hairstylist or makeup artist who values organization, durability, and style. If you're in the market for a new tool bag, I highly recommend checking this one out.
Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this.
See you next time on Product Critique.